up, everyone? Welcome back to another video on Juice and Toya.
Welcome back.
Today we're going to take you all through a 10-minute body weight isometric finisher.
Woo.
This is going to be a great finisher at the end of a workout, whether that's strength or cardio to help keep those muscles fired up, or as a nice little cool down after a strength workout as well.
Oh yeah, so for the workout format, very simple. We'll take you through 10 total isometric holds. We're going 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest for each one. This is a no repeat, so hold as long as you can for that 45 seconds.
Oh yeah, and there'll be a few modifications sprinkled throughout the workout that you can follow me for. And if you're ready, let's get right into it.
Get it.
up the 10-minute ISO finisher. And again, don't let that body weight fool you. We got in a nice little pump here.
Oh, yeah.
If it was a little too easy for you or you want to make this more challenging, add some weights, throw some resistance bands or weights in there, and it'll make it a little bit more difficult for you.
Oh yeah. And if you enjoyed this workout, please give us a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed it, smash that thanks button. We'll really appreciate it.
Thank
and
you.
go check out our other finisher workouts on the channel. We have a few other ones if you want a little bit more. And we have other content on the Juice and Toya app. Check that down in the description below. Click that link and we have more workouts, more nutrition, motivation, everything you need to take your fitness to the next level. And if you're just joining us for the first time, your first week is free, all right? So check that out in the description, click that link and it'll take you right to it. We appreciate you for joining us for another workout.
And we'll see you all at the next one.